Welcome to Mimic channel again. Today I am going to explain you about audiovisual alarms. These are also been called as warning alarms. Wherever the emergencies like accidents, poisonous gas leakage or fire, so this category faults are there, these audiovisual alarms are being used inside the factory or outside the factory. Also been used in Navy on their decks for any emergencies, for defense, for cement factories where the emergencies can erupt anytime. So this is a mandatory or compulsory for any industry to install these audiovisual alarms at different locations. But the critical point of this is these can be installed indoor or outdoor. So these audiovisual alarms has to be weatherproof audiovisual alarms, and the specification for these audiovisual alarms is IP65 as per the IS standard. So these alarms, what I am showing it to you, are all weatherproof alarms. For as example, these are the alarms approved in naval applications. In naval applications, these are being fitted on the deck of the top floor platform. So any type of emergency in navies, these alarm sounds and use flashing light every corner of that boat. These are also being used in two-tier mode. That means amber light will give steady if the emergencies are expected, and the red flash and alarm is in case of real emergencies. These are IP65 weatherproof tower light type of audiovisual alarms. Again, in this also, if you don't want indication, only hooter is also possible. These are tower lamp type of audiovisual alarms. In this, there are other types like base mounting, hooter plus flasher, IP66 or IP65. In this light flashes, sound comes from the front side. This is a base mounting. This is a wall mounting. The clamps are at the back side. Same application, flashing and a sound. These are plastic body. So generally being used for comparatively lighter applications of audiovisual alarm, but same weatherproof IP65. But there are some applications really where the physical problems are also possible. That means this can break. These type of applications are there. Then you need a metallic body. For this metallic body, these type of very heavy duty audiovisual alarms are being used. But this alarm has got speciality that these alarms has a light which can be transmitted up to 500 meters. That means 0.5 kilometers. So where the jungle area is there, or where it is been unattended applications, these type applications, this metallic body audiovisual alarms being used, and the intensity of this is very high intensity. It is almost 110 decibel. Also there is a facility in this. There are total 4 type of tones settable depending upon your application. One is siren type of a tone, that means oh, this type of tone is there, or a wobbling tone, or two tone, or plain tone. See, though all 4 tones are possible to be fitted or settable in this type of audiovisual alarms. We call it as a sounder also. Then one more model is there which gives sound on the both sides. So if you fit it on the top, this sound comes from this side, sound comes from this side, and this is the flashing application. This has been generally used where you have to locate it at the center of the plant. These are the multiple audiovisual alarms Mimic manufacturers for all industrial, civil, aviation or cement factories applications. Next video, I am going to tell you about the next category of this, that means sirens. See, these are all suitable for 100 to 200 meters. But if you have an application like 500 meters, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, audiovisual alarms, warning devices, like suppose a dam is sending water downstairs or downline, the villages at the downline has to be warned. So there you need a 4 kilometer sirens. remote sirens. So that siren range I am going to explain you in my next video. Till then, thank you. And if you want to contact or purchase these type of particular audio alarms, our email ID is mimic.cells@gmail.com, or you may contact me directly on 9821252022. Thank you.